Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Crazy D's Equipment. So today we're going to try to finish up what we got to do on the old 830 and get it on the lot today. But guys, before we get going into that, there's a couple little things I want to touch up with you guys here real quick. First thing is, sometime between Thanksgiving and Christmas, we're going to do a special live stream event with me, the doc, and Angie's going to be there for it. Also guys, you can now become a member of Crazy D's Equipment, which comes with a whole bunch of different little perks and stuff. If you just go to the Crazy D page and go to hit join, it'll tell you all the stuff. Now I'm going to be changing and updating and doing some new things with the perks you get for being a channel member. But right now those are what I've come up with, but I will definitely be updating and changing those and doing something more and even maybe and more special than what we have there. Also guys, when it comes to the live stream, we're going to probably post a notification for that on the community page, so pay attention to that there on YouTube, the community page where I put up the special deals for the voting for the tractors and that kind of stuff, and let you guys know. And I hope you all come in. It's going to be a little special event for Christmas, but otherwise guys, let's get started on this 830 and see how far the doc's got. Okay, Doc, so show them the biggest repair we had to do on this tractor so far.
Okay guys, so the biggest repair we have done on this tractor is we replaced this valve body here. It must have gotten water or something in it from when it was sitting, because these pistons here are just frozen solid. So we happened to have a friend was coming to get some parts from us and had one of these and brought us that thing. So we brought us a replacement for this. That's mainly the biggest thing we've had to do to this 830.
So guys, here we go. Me, Crazy D, rebuilt this carburetor for the dock. So when we start it for the first time here in a little bit, we're going to see how well my mechanical ability is. But I had to replace all the gaskets and stuff and redo all that so we could get this thing on. If you heard the tractor run in the auction video, it sounded pretty good. But when we got it home and we were moving it around, and I was going to put it straight on the lot, I didn't realize these things were wrong with it and stuff. And you'd kind of seen some update. I think we've updated you in some other videos about it. But it was missing out and stuff. And this gasket here was leaking, was sucking air in past it and stuff. The doc would stand there and spray it with a can of I think, I don't remember what it was. I don't know if it was ether or if he was spraying it with PB Blast or whatever, but it would choke the tractor out. It was sucking everything into that top gasket. So I replaced that. I cleaned and dipped the carburetor, or the inside of the carburetor I cleaned. I didn't mess with the outside too much. And I replaced that, so we're going to see if I have the ability to rebuild a carburetor, if I did any good. If I did bad, don't make too much fun of me in the comments. I tried, okay? I tried. But the doc's finishing up the back piece and putting a hose on, and we are about to roll this out to the lot, so let's go check that out and see what the doc's up to. Okay, Doc, show them what you got to finish up back here.
So what I got back here to finish up, guys, is just getting this hose screwed in. There's a fitting up here on the back side of the valve, and get this screwed into there, and then this bolt down, and then this flange here has a couple little I think they're 1/2-inch bolt or nuts that screw in down here, and that gets us back together, and it should be ready to go out to the lot.
Yay, back to the, well, wouldn't be back to the lot, it'd be to the lot for the first time.
Well, out of the building, at least.
Yeah. And then you can start your next 50 projects I have waiting for you, Doc.
Yay.
Okay. All right, Doc, first start.
Yeah.
Was that, it was running a little rough there and stuff still. Is that my carburetor rebuild or?
No, I think what it is it just. I think maybe the plugs might be a little gummy because it's doing like my H did in my video about doing spark and stuff. And I think you're gonna have some plugs that are a little gunky and I think it'll burn out after with some good use and maybe a
So
little.
just it needs to be
CISO.
heated up and ran real good because
Yeah.
you sat so long.
So
Well, good. I didn't want him to make fun of me too much for my carb rebuild.
I did adjust it a little bit.
You
but-
did? Yeah, I know.
But you were close.
I was, well, see, it's better than
So
too far out, so. But anyways, all right, guys, well, thank you for coming in. Thank you for watching another episode of Crazy D's Equipment. The 830 is now on the lot, and time to get on to the next projects.